So you wake up late, you're a little jet lag, your hair is not acting right, you foresee a bad hair day on the horizon, right? What do you do? What do you do? Well, this is what I did this morning. First, I tried to put it into a puff. My hair's not quite long enough. It wasn't full, it didn't look right. So then I thought, well, let me just like put on a headband and just let it free. That didn't work either. So I thought, super corny, right? I know. But anyway, I thought, let me get the main choice Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. And what I do, I put it on my edges. I put it all up. And I just added some little clips to create a faux 80s inspired look. I like it. This may be a new go-to. I really like it. I was surprised that I would like it, but I like it. So I put my scarf on to lay my edges down, right? Because that's what we must do. Especially when you have super coily, curly hair like mine, which is type 3B, 4A, 4B. It's everything. It's curly, it's everything. Okay, so it kind of looks cute with the little scarf, doesn't it? With the little bow, but I think I want to, like, you know, let it out. So I'm going to undo this, untie it in the back, and, you know, add some inspiration. I am super tired, girl, let me tell you. I am tired. So a little secret. If your hair is not going where you want it to go, you make it go where you want it to go. Get your bobby pin, wavy side now. I'm going to underneath here. Make it like flow a little bit better. Yeah, here we go, here we go, here we go. Underneath here. Yeah. Here we go. And you know what? I'm going to take it back. I actually like it better with the little bow. I think I just gave it a little bit of character, so let's put it back on. So this is what I did from start to finish. I got my gel, I slid it on, and you see I got these little waves. Thank you, the main choice for my little waves. I smoothed it up with a brush, put my little clippies, little clippies, little clippies, little clippies, and now I will get my scarf, smooth it down, tie it in the back, make sure I don't have any hair stuck in the scarf. I've done that before. A little tie, and now this is the part where people that wear glasses know what I'm feeling. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't have a clue. So let me put my glasses on. Okay, glasses are on. Let's move this to the side. I think I just like did just did a little knot. Yeah, and then I will just tuck these under. Tuck it under. There. So the bow was a lot cuter the first time. Trial and error, but this is gonna work. This is gonna work. I think I like it. Let me do another little bobby pin in the front here to like give me some things. Yes, 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 yes. Here we go. Here we go. And from the side, the back, the side. I think I love it. I think I love it. So I got my lip stain on, and now I'm going to put on a High Shine Color Lip Gloss. So let me tell you about this. So this lip stain is from Ulta Beauty. It's the really simple stuff. Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Cream in Allusive. And here's the Ulta High Shine Color Lip Gloss in Katherine. I'm Katherine today. Got my shine. Got my shine on my face, but I was told shiny skin is a sign of the youthful skin. So up here, up, minus the little extra fatties around the cheeks. From here, this probably looks like 25. Down, it's my real age of 39. But, okay, joking aside, thank you, the main choice, for coming to my rescue and saving my dude. Bye!